Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to put on our new windshield on the new Can-Am XRS. The windshield that we found is from Clearly Tough. We really like it because it's a Utah company, but also it's made in America, which we always try to support made in America. And it seems like it's the most versatile windshield that we could get. It folds down, it folds up, it covers the whole thing, or you can remove it really easily. It's, they say, indestructible, so we'll see. And it looks like it's pretty easy to install, so this shouldn't be too bad. To install the windshield, it just comes with all these Velcro straps, different lengths for different spots on the machine, but that makes it so you can remove it really easily. Kara and I don't always want a windshield on the machine, so this should make it really versatile for us. We were able to slap that windshield in. That was pretty dang easy. This is in the full upright position. For the X3, because of the way that the roof is designed, there has to be this little gap right here. That little gap at the top, I think, will help with airflow actually, so we shouldn't get that cloud of dust swirling that you get with a lot of windshields. This windshield will also fold down, so now we're going to put it in the folded down position. When you get it folded down, you have to put these straps just down around the body panels, right here. But then they're fully secured. Windshield down, works really nice. That way you can still get full ventilation when you want, and then flip it back up when you don't, and it's still super easy to take off. Windshield's all in, went in super easy. I think Clearly Tough has a 100% hit on their hands with this. Versatility, I haven't found another windshield that can do all these things, and is this well made. I love that it's an American-made product, made right here in Utah, and if you click on the link below, it will take you directly to the Clearly Tough site, and you'll be able to get whatever windshield you need for whatever rig that you have, whether it's Honda, Polaris, Can-Am, Kawasaki, whatever. If you have a modified rig with a different cage or things like that, they can make any windshield to fit whatever it is that you need. So just give them a contact and they'll help you out. We are super happy with this windshield. Now it's just time to go out and use this thing. So stay tuned. As soon as we can get out and use it, we are going to put on some miles. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the likes, subscriptions, all that sort of stuff. Comment below on if you've tried a Clearly Tough windshield or if you're interested. Make sure you click on the link below to grab you one. Really great people to work with, and they'll help you out with whatever you need. As always, thanks for watching and enjoy your weekend.